have to say because I have just come here.
But just say your opinion. Say your boss.
Yeah, it's too shiny here.
Ano na dyan? Oh.
It's okay. It's okay. About what do you say? Physical and
mental
health. Physical and mental health. We have to have it in balance. Why? Because this both of health, always related each other. If you are, for example, if you are proud, if you are make heart age, not heart age in cardiovascular like that, but heart age in proud, for example, proud or what we say, anger, etc. Yeah, it can influence your physical health too.
Allah.
You have to. I agree with Mr. Shukri say that an-nazafa also. An-nazafa is cleanness. An-nazafa means cleanness. Cleanness, you have to maintain our respective cleanness. Yeah, you can influence your health too. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allah.